Guess who's back after a long vacation? I am back and I am feeling like trash. So many things have happened. Like, I've been like so stressed with school that I haven't been posting recently, and like so much stuff has happened. I'm so close to crashing out, like, bro. And I'm back with some spooky time. So I'm gonna be playing a horror game, cause I'm crazy. So I'm gonna be playing a game called Everything Goes Here, and I hope it doesn't scare the literal heck out of me. Cause like, I'm not easily scared cause I'm such an alpha. I should shut up. Oh my gosh. Let's just get on with the video. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. Okay guys, let's watch tape 1. Movie time. Okay. It's colors. Oh. Do I press there? Okay. Oh, it's interactive? Okay, I'm just... Okay. Ooh. What this place? It's cool. Oh, it's a note. It's a note. This is the end. Diarrhea. Okay, that's nice. Oh, this is kind of... I thought I was gonna like watch a whole long movie. Oh, what is that? What the heck? You have made a grave mistake. You're not supposed to see this. Wait. Choices have been made. Already facing the final boss in the beginning? That's crazy. Oh, are you gonna say anything else? Our chances of escaping are slim. Slim Jim? You must complete your what? Bro, what? Oh, and most importantly, I'm blind. Survive till the end. Okay, door. Wait, which one? Click! Oh my gosh, bro. I don't know what door to click. I'm just gonna press. Okay. Wait. Is there a specific door I'm supposed to click? Or do I just click? Where's the door? Bruh. Where's the door? You have made the first trial. Wait, what did I even do? This is not the end. Am I that good at games? I just press random doors, like, yet. Okay, I'm cooking right now. Okay. Spooky place. Am I gonna get jump scared? And am I gonna get like murdered? This is kind of scary. Wait, how did I get to a train station? Okay, where am I? I'm kind of confused. Do I just press the arrow? Okay. I really don't know what's happening right now. Where am I going? Oh yeah. Where's this heading? Oh, what? Bro. It's colors. It's colorful. It's like little swirly swirls. Am I gonna get jump scared? Am I gonna die? Is there gonna be a binal? I'm done with myself. Okay. I can't read. Incident something murder. On the midnight of February 21st, 1989, the Rockville Police Department was into something with numerous noise complaints emanating from whatever peaceful suburbs. I cannot read that. Pause to read, guys, because I cannot read. Upon their arrival, the residents... Oh my gosh. Okay, burn. Oh no, daughter, bye-bye. Okay. Found tape. Oh no, what is that? Found tape. Oh no, yes. Okay. Yeah. Something footage, guy killed children. That's what I'm saying. The horrifying visual shattered domestic violence, something, plague, Reynot, dark picture, innocent children, memories, and video evidence, guys. Keywords. Okay, what is this? What? Oh, I can transport. What does that say? Hawaii? Kitten? Gretch? What's a Gretch? What? I cannot read. Okay, let me just go to the garage. I want to go to the garage. Oh! Dose? What is that? Okay. How do I put the dose in? Should I click it? Oh. What did it do? Do I click it too? Wait, what is it gonna do? Where do I click it? Is it doing anything? Okay, let me just... Oh! Call what? What happened? Oh my god! Bro! What just happened? Bro, my heart, I can't, what, no, Wait, is it over? Please tell me it's over, because that was the scariest thing I've ever seen in my life. What the heck? There's tape 2. I'm back with tape 2. Wait, doesn't that say tape 12? Or am I tripping? No, this is tape 12, right? Hold up. Where's tape 2? Why did it say tape 12? That's crazy. Anyways, let's get on with it. Hello, darkness, my old friend. What is that place? Do I go in? Guys? Okay. This is... Oh my gosh, I can't read that. This is Rockwell PD. Why ain't no one answering? FBI, open up. Door opened. Ew, what is that? Good evening, is your name something? Yes, my name is Kyle Reynot. We have a search warrant. What for? Something about suspicious complaints about the area. Noise complaints. I cannot read. What the skippity? Your neighbor. Something about your neighbor. I see. No, so please move out of the way, big back. Okay. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna... Oh, am I the police? Okay. There is blood. Oh, so like I look for clues and stuff. What? Wait. Honestly, what am I pressing? I'm just gonna click it. Oh, the bottle. How do I click the bottle? Why can't I click the bottle? What the heck? I wanna click the bottle. Oh, okay, there. Okay, I wanna interrogate him. Oh, can I ask some questions? Can I? Yeah. Why is you? Okay, that's not nice. That's honestly not nice to say. Maybe he's going through something. Oh, I forgot to clean up. You knocked open the door. I was talking a lot. Wait, what? Taking a nap. Okay, I'm done with myself. What? Oh, what? I accidentally pushed it off the what? Oh, okay. What about the red stain? Oh, it's from the wine. Duh, buddy, he was drinking. Do you live alone? No, but right now I live alone. I live with my wife and my children are at my parent-in-law's home because I'm tired. Something about having a short vacation. Or date. Then, what the heck does that say? Oh, they're from my wife. Guess she forgot to tidy it before she left. Wait, what are we talking about? I'm lost. Alright. Okay. Are we gonna say anything? No? Okay. So, okay, I'm gonna search the kitchen now. Okay. There's a purse. There's 2 plates. What else? What did I pick up? A knife? Okay, what else is there? Am I done? I can't click anything else. What? What's there else? Like, what am I missing? Oh, jerry can. What is that? Jerry can? That sounds like a name. That's kind of weird. Can I something? Oh, can I ask you some questions? Come on. Why are there 2 plates? Oh. Bro, I cannot read. I'm sorry, guys. I'm disappointing you guys. As I said, I forgot to clean the plates up. My wife or my children probably ate something before they left. When did they leave? 2 days ago? Wait, 2 days. Wait. Hold up. 2 days ago and your house is still a mess? That's crazy. Anyways, what? Alright. Hold up, what the heck does that say? The knife doing on the counter. For sure. I already told you. I forgot to clean the house before they left. Wait, if they left 2 days ago, then, bro, that doesn't. Okay, what about the handbag? They're from my wife. Okay. Something, what? Does that say something to, what? Okay. Did you say something? Did I say something? I cannot nothing. Oh, no. Oh, my throat. All day. Okay, but what's up with that smell? Bro's calling him stinky. That's crazy. What smell? I don't know. It smells like rotten food or something. I don't smell anything. Well, buddy, get yourself a parent. Does he have a nose? He's come from the basement. Can I check it or something? OD. Oh, the basement's kind of scary. What does that say? What? Okay, guess I'm searching the basement. Okay, no. I'm going back. Can I go back? Nope. Okay. Just keep swimming. I just gotta keep forward. Okay, what happened? What do I click? Oh. What the heck is that? What is happening? What? Oh my god, why does he kind of sound like an elephant? That's kind of crazy. Oh. Wait, what is happening? Bro, the lore isn't loring. Why am I murdering? Why am I Bro, I can't speak. Why am I disembering something like take off the body parts? Wait, what happened? I literally just took his whole body. How is he still alive? It burns. My skin. It really. Oh. No, duh, it feels weird. Bro is now a torso. That's kind of sad, honestly. Wait, why did I do that to him? Okay, it was kind of like, he sounded like an elephant. It was kind of crazy. Scary. Let me out. It's hot in here. It hurts. How is bro not dead? What the heck is that? It burns. It burns. It burns. Help. Help me, it burns. What? No. What is that? Why does it look... Ew. What is that? Why does it look like that? Oh, I'm done. Oh, gosh. Oh, my gosh. Slay. Oh. Slay game. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. This is me playing a horror game. I'm gonna burp. Anyways, if you want to see more, well, subscribe, guys, and see you in like 2 years. Goodbye, guys.